Hey Zoe, what up, Chuck? A lot of women out here. Yeah. Now they want to do is have a good time. So. We gotta give them something new to say. Like what? Let's make me something new.
And if nobody's looking and she asks you to taste her cooking, don't do it. Don't do it. And if you go to a show, she wants to sit in the back row, bring her down.